So sana the public should not be blinded. We ask the evidence be allowed to speak. Hindi po nagsisinungaling ang ebidensya, sabi nga. At ngayon po, in the age of social media, resibo po yung ating tinitingnan dito, yung ebidensya. And from the time that I assumed office dito sa NBI, I'm very fortunate to work with professional people who base their action on evidence, on process and on law. Hindi dahil sa politika, hindi dahil sa personalidad, kundi dahil kami ay bumabase sa ebidensya na nakikita natin. At kitang-kita naman po yung ebidensya dahil sa video nakita ninyo. This evidence na pinakita po namin sa inyo, the pieces of evidence that we showed to you, those are the same evidence that we will present in court. Namin na po silang kinasuhan, na inquest na po yung mga personality. 4 at large?
We have
7 at large and 14 already
under
under custody ng National Bureau of Investigation. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala na ang duty ng NBI is to the Republic. Our duty is to the Filipino people, including the Filipino worker. And our duty is to serve the community. And above all is to protect everyone, all of you, especially the Filipino people. I always say no one is above the law.